The scope of the electrical installation is starting with this square D 200 amp service. The panel's got the slots. There's a route through punch outs on the top. This is to install a 40 amp circuit into the garage to support a NEMA 650 outlet using 8 gauge wire, 2 neutrals and a ground. Coming around into the garage, there is a box here that may lead up into the panel, but haven't been able to get up in there through that by fishing it. The panel is right behind here. So coming out the top of the panel, we come out through that route and then up to the ceiling with 1/2 inch EMT coming across, putting a 90 degree in there, maybe a 90 degree bend or a just a 90 degree connector. Then coming across the garage here, that's another 16-foot garage. So coming across would probably be a little less than 20 feet. And then coming down into the middle here, about 6 or 7 feet to put in the actual outlet. And that would be all external mount, 1/2 inch EMT. So the quantity of material is probably around 32 feet of conduit or EMT, 3 90 degree bends, the connectors for the outlet, the surface mount outlet over here, as well as whatever the junction box that comes out of the top of the fuse panel here on the back. That's the whole scope of the job.